Hello everyone, I am Tulsi. Today I am explaining possible palindromes problem. So what is the problem here is, consider a string INSTR containing only uppercase alphabets, and also you traverse from left to right, and you have to break that given string into minimum number of substrings such that every substring is a palindrome. Every substring is a palindrome. So we can directly go into input. What is the given sample input? So there are no constraints. Okay, so we can go into input. So what is the input is S R O O R A B. Here I'm simply explaining. You can cut this like this: S R O O R A B. You get total 7 palindromes, but this is not the thing here. So you should get the minimum palindromes. So number of minimum palindromes. So how can you optimize this better? S R O R A B. So you got 6, but we can further optimize. So let's see, is there any other solution? Yes, R O R A B. So you got 4. Is there any other thing? So is there any other approach? I think there are no other things. So this is the solution. So how many minimum number of palindromes you got? S, R, R, O, R, A and B. So you got total 4. So you can also see this like this also. See, while considering A, B, A, B, B, B. So let's see. Oh, I think for A one cut, B A B B A B other cut, B A B A B other cut, A. I think this is the solution. You got total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 such palindromes. So before getting into code, now I want to explain how I solve the solution using dynamic programming. Okay. Yes. See all of you. So first let's consider this left side 2D matrix. I think you already know this, but again I am saying. So how I place this is, see here A, from starting from A, B, ABC, ABCC, ABCCB, ABCCBC. Now starting from B, BC, BCC, BCCB, BCCBC, and again I am starting from C. Like that I fill this table. So you have to tell me, is A is a palindrome? Yes. A is itself is a palindrome. B itself is a palindrome. C itself is a palindrome. C itself is a palindrome. B itself is a palindrome. C itself is a palindrome. Good. So how can you say that the string of length 2 is a palindrome or not? Just check. If A is equal to B, no, it's not equal to B. So simply, it is not a palindrome. B not equal to C, it is not a palindrome. C equal to C, it is a palindrome. C not equal to B, it is not a palindrome. B not equal to C, it is not a palindrome. Now check ABC. So first check extremes A and C. Is A and C are equal? No. So I think it is not a palindrome. Is B equal to C? No. Check extremes. No, it is not a palindrome. Is C equal to B? No, it is not a palindrome. Is C equal to C? Yes, it is a palindrome. But now check for the middle string. Is B is a palindrome or not? You can simply check the cross one, B. Yes, it is a palindrome. So CBC is a palindrome. Here, is A equal to C? No. So it is not a palindrome. Is BCCB is a palindrome? Once check. First check the extremes. B equal to B. Yes. Is CC is a palindrome? Check the cross one. Yes, CC is a palindrome. So it is a palindrome. Now CC is now check extremes. C equal to C. But check, is CB is a palindrome? No. Check the cross one. It is not a palindrome. So it is not a palindrome. Check AB. Is AB is a palindrome? Sorry, is A equal to B? No. So you can directly say it is not a palindrome. As B is equal to C? No, it is not a equal. So it is not a palindrome. Is A equal to C? No. So you can say it is not a palindrome. Now getting into the right side one. Now tell me, so how many cuts required for A to make it as a palindrome? 0. So you do not get anything here. For B also. So there is no need of cutting here to make it as a palindrome, because B itself is a palindrome, as you can see here in the left side 2D matrix. As C is a palindrome, there are no need of cuts. As C is a palindrome, there are no needs of cuts. B is a palindrome, no need of cut. C is a palindrome, no need of cut. And again here also, As CBC is already palindrome, there are no need of cuts. CBC is already palindrome, no need of cuts. Here also, CC is already a palindrome, so no need of cuts. Here BCCB is also a palindrome, so no need of cuts. So next, let's check for the remaining ones. As AB is not a palindrome, so how many, so how many cuts, minimum cuts are required to make it as a palindrome? As A is there, B is there. So now, to make it as a palindrome, how many cuts required? If I cut like this, it is a palindrome, it is a palindrome. So only one thing required. BC also same, CB also same, BC also same. It's good. Now getting into ABC. So how many cuts required for ABC to get the minimum number of palindromes A, B? You should require 2 cuts here. So here we can formulate one formula. See here, how can I say is for ABC to know how many cuts required, simply add A and BC. A and BC, you get 0 plus 1, 1. Here AB and C, you get 0 plus 1, 1. So what is the minimum among this? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. For this also, for BC, 0 plus 1, you got 0. So this is over 0. And BC, 1 plus 0, 1. What is the minimum? 1. What is the minimum? Sorry, 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. See, as for BCC, to make it as a minimum, to get the minimum number of palindromes, just one cut is required. B is a palindrome, CC is a palindrome. For this also, for CCB, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. What is the minimum? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Same with ABCC also. A, 0 plus 1, 1. For ABCC also, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, sorry, 1. Okay, 1 plus 0, 0. 1. 2 plus 0, 2. What is the minimum? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cuts are required. So like this, you should fill up this table. See here, for ABCC, 0 plus 0, you get 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 0, 2. So what is the minimum? What is the minimum here? 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Same with this also. Here, see, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 0. What is the minimum? 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Only one cut is required. And here also, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. So what is the minimum? 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Here, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. So what is the minimum cuts? 2. Okay. You require 2 cuts here. See, 1, 2. So how many minimum possible palindromes you will get? Minimum cuts plus 1. So this is the answer. 3 is the answer. So in the next video, I will explain my code. Thank you for watching.